Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you these deformable LED garage lights that I got from Tanbaby. I'll post a link to them in the description box below, but these are lights that are LEDs that can just spin into place of a standard light bulb. Now, unfortunately with my garage, I can't put them in because I have LED fixtures in my garage that I've replaced. But I did one at my sister's house, and I'll show that footage here shortly in their garage. And then I'm also going to do one in my attic. Basically, same application. You can use them in your garage or in a storage space or an attic or whatever. Anywhere where you have a standard light bulb fixture that you can spin a bulb into, you can use these. So they say these are deformable. That just means you can move these little panels on the outside of the fixture. So these are all LED panels. This is also an LED panel in the middle. So when you get this, there's two pieces. Now I've already given one to my sister and filmed that video over at their house, so that's why there's only one in here right now. But these also come with a fixture themselves. If you don't have one and you feel confident you could wire one up. I do not need those, so I'm going to set those aside. A little bit of documentation in here, and then the fixture is here. It's pretty large, and it's got a little bit of weight to it, but let's get that. And I'm going to clear some space here, and then we'll look at it a little closer. So when you get it out of the packaging, this is kind of what it looks like. There's a little protector on the threads there, so you can set that aside. And then this is the unit. So this is what you're just going to spin into that standard, light fixture. If you have, one of these in the ceiling, you just basically spin it right into place, and it works just like a regular light bulb. But now you've got all these LED panels that are much, much brighter. So it's pretty cool. I've been looking at these for a while just because I've been seeing them, and I know some friends and relatives that have them in their garage, and it definitely helps light up the space quite a bit more than on just a standard bulb. So like I said, these are deformable, which just means you can move the panels. So you can just move them like that and just angle the light down into the space better. And they do go more. They'd actually go all the way flat, so you can point these straight down if you want. So I'm going to climb up into my attic, and I'm going to show you before and after of that with the regular just fluorescent bulb that I have up there. And then I'm going to plug this in and show you the space after I have that installed, and you'll see the difference is literally night and day. So this is my brother-in-law's garage. They have a single spot for a light bulb. They have a LED in there now, but as you can see, it doesn't really brighten up the room very much. We're going to swap in the LED and see how much better it actually gets. And here is the new LED. As you can see, it brightens up this room considerably compared to the one little LED that he had in there before. And those fins on there are adjustable. So if you want them to all go straight down, you can push them straight down. Or you can kind of tilt them and spread it out through the room a little bit. Considerably brighter. So this is my attic space where I have a house fan and my furnace and air conditioner. And there's just a single compact fluorescent bulb up here for whenever I'm up here looking at stuff. It doesn't really, it does the trick, but it's not really that bright, as you can see from this video. Now, I'm going to install the Tanbaby LED into that right now, and you'll see the difference. So that's with the Tanbaby LED installed, and I can tell you right now, it's way brighter up here. I can see so much better. It's crazy. And I didn't even unfold the panels. I think I'm actually going to leave them up here just for this space. Kind of just want it to shoot out. There's the one on the bottom that's shooting straight down and whatnot. But you can just see all around this space up here, it's so much brighter. It's such an easy little modification you can do to a space. utility space, garage space, whatever. These little things, they're not really expensive. They're just super nice to have, and they just brighten up the space a whole lot more. So yeah, thanks for watching. Check out the description below for a link to these where you can get them for yourself. And also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Later.